inaugural of IDEAS 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, this marks the official opening of the 9th International Defense Seminar and Exhibition. The IDEAS 2016 is now open. With this, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Chief Guest will proceed to witness the exhibition.